Yeah.
There's something that's an issue with it. Crazy.
Yeah, I held you off as long as I could.
There's a problem with my car.
You held me out for a long time.
I thought about just blocking him the entire time. Like, dude.
I blocked him half the time.
I'm like.
I got next to you and I tried to move you and I'm like, damn, man, there's just no room.
No, all right, so if you guys have any more races, you can save the head sock.
How much faster than you was I? How much?
You got lucky. My cart was broken. There was something wrong with my car.
What did he run?
What did
you run?
I was half a second faster than him.
No, you
Full
weren't.
half is 0.5 something.
No, you
Sure.
weren't. No, you weren't.
Wow.
But here's the
That's a
important-
lot faster.
But here's the thing.
No, it is a lot
No,
faster.
it's maybe a lot faster, but I
Question.
was still ahead of you, Kevin.
Question. I have a follow-up question. How much faster is my Mustang than your car?
Not that much.
Like 7/10 or
Oh
something?
no.
Isn't it 7/10?
That is 0.4.
Oh, it's not
Seven.
quite half a second. Sorry.
Are you sure? You need a
4800s.
calculator, Kevin? Check the data. Check the data. Verify the data.
I'm checking the data. It's
sensor-
0.470
The sensor might
seconds.
be off, Kevin. The
Hey,
sensor
Warren.
might be off.
Warren.
His timing error achieved 0.470.
I hate you.
Okay.
Slower
hate
than
you.
your time.